3, 2, 1.
Talk to me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's online safety show. Let's talk gaming, because for many of us, it's how we chill, connect and compete. Whether you're on Fortnite, FIFA, Roblox or streaming on Twitch, gaming is awesome, but staying safe keeps it that way.
3, 2, 1.
First up, protect your privacy. Online gaming often means chatting or playing with people you've never met. And while most players are friendly, not everyone online is who they say they are. That's why it's so important to protect your privacy and make smart choices about what you share. You should never drop your real name, school or location in chats or profiles. Always use usernames that are fun and not personal. And if you're using Discord, stick to servers you know. Remember, you can turn off DMs from strangers and don't click random links, especially those that say free skin, exclusive code, because they could be a scam.
3, 2, 1.
Talk to me.
Here's some tips to remember. Private chats aren't really private. Screenshots can spread fast. And on Twitch, don't overshare when streaming or commenting. Use a nickname, keep chat filters on, and check that what you're watching is age appropriate. If someone starts being weird or rude, block, report, and move on. Make sure your accounts are locked down with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Seriously, it takes seconds and saves headaches later. Most gamers online just want to play fair and have fun. And when you look out for yourself and others, you help keep that community positive. So this week, check your privacy settings. Think before you share, and remember, game smart, stay kind, stay safe. This weekend, I'll be mostly playing Battlefield 6 and we'll be sure to game smart too. So until next week, have a great weekend and we'll see you then. Bye bye.